Hi friends, I'm excited to share this new application with you. We have been working on developing the panel components for almost a month. Now this application is completely ready. If you're working on precast projects, obviously, if you want to add panel props, grout tubes, lifting tools, for each panel, it is going to be a time-consuming task. But with this application, you just have to select all the panels with the click of a button. The system will automatically create these objects. And then it will also give you an option for you to change these objects for any particular panel. Let me give you the demo. Let me just select the selection filter to pick only the panels. Let me select the component. And once you do the cross selection with the click of a middle mouse, it will automatically create all these objects. It might take 5 to 10 seconds. It depends on the number of panels that you have selected. Now you can see. And if I just want to make changes to any particular panel, you can just double click on the component. Just double click and open the component. And now you can see this is for the panel props. Next for the grout tubes. And this is for the lifting tools. And the panel grout tube. This is for connecting the top and bottom panel. And then the panel rebate. For example, I don't want to show the panel rebate for this particular panel. I can just go and change this option to no. Let me just go to the top panels now. For the top panels, obviously, I don't want to add any panel props. So what I would do, I'll go to the props and change this option to no. And then if I come to the panel grout tubes, I need top and upper and lower tubes and change this option to yes and equal spacing. And then I'll go to the grout tubes. Let me just click no, apply and OK. Now I'm going to pick all the top ones and press the middle mouse. So now you can see. Let me select all the top ones. And then once I double click and open, if I go to the panel grout tube, change this option to no and modify so that will remove the grout tubes on the top. Just imagine how much time this is going to save you when you start using these applications on your precast projects. If you want to see the full demo, please feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.